In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a photo here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do, and it literally takes seconds. Now, once you have your photo on the canvas, we simply click on that, and then we see just here, this little tiny icon. If we click on there and hold it down, this is where we can rotate the image. Now, this little icon, once you click onto your image, isn't always going to be on the right. It might sometimes be on the left. It might sometimes be up the top or even at the bottom. You just have to look out for it. But then when you do, you just simply click, hold down, and then we can drag. Then if we look right next to it, it's going to show us the degree of how much we've turned this. So this is minus 25, just like that. If we go the other way and go to 25, it will just be 25. Or if we wanted this 90 for some reason, we can do that and it's going to tell us 90 as well. But as you can see, it's really simple to rotate images here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.